Our mouths are full of bacteria. Hundreds of different types live on our teeth, gums, tongue, and other places in our mouths. Some bacteria are helpful, but some can be harmful, such as those that play a role in the tooth decay process. Tooth decay is the result of an infection with certain types of bacteria that use sugars in food to make acids. Over time, these acids can make a cavity in the tooth. What goes on inside our mouths all day? Throughout the day, a tug of war takes place inside our mouths. On one team are dental plaque, a sticky, colorless film of bacteria, plus foods and drinks that contain sugar or starch such as milk, bread, cookies, candy, soda, juice, and many others. Whenever we eat or drink something that contains sugar or starch, the bacteria use them to produce acids. These acids begin to eat away at the tooth's hard outer surface, or enamel. On the other team are the minerals in our saliva, such as calcium and phosphate, plus fluoride from toothpaste, water, and other sources. This team helps enamel repair itself by replacing minerals lost during an acid attack. Our teeth go through this natural process of losing minerals and regaining minerals all day long. How does a cavity develop? When a tooth is exposed to acid frequently, for example, if you eat or drink often, especially foods or drinks containing sugar and starches, the repeated cycles of acid attacks cause the enamel to continue to lose minerals. A white spot may appear where minerals have been lost. This is a sign of early decay. Over time, the enamel is weakened and destroyed, forming a cavity. How can we help teeth win the tug of war and avoid a cavity? While traditional treatments include dental visits and oral hygiene practices, certain herbs can play a supportive role in preventing and managing tooth decay. These herbs offer natural benefits that can help strengthen tooth enamel, reduce bacterial growth, and promote overall oral health. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various herbs and their uses in combating tooth decay. 1. Neem, nature's antibacterial agent. Neem Azadirachta indica is celebrated in traditional medicine for its powerful antibacterial properties. Its effectiveness against harmful bacteria makes it a valuable tool in preventing tooth decay and maintaining oral hygiene. Benefits of neem. Antibacterial properties. Neem's natural compounds inhibit the growth of bacteria responsible for tooth decay and gum diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Regular use of neem can reduce gum inflammation, providing relief from swelling and pain. How to use neem. Neem twigs. Traditionally, neem twigs are chewed as a natural toothbrush. The fibrous texture of the twig aids in the mechanical cleaning of teeth, while the antibacterial properties work to prevent plaque buildup. Neem oil. Neem oil can be diluted with a carrier oil and applied to the gums and teeth. This method not only reduces bacterial growth but also soothes inflamed gums. Neem powder. Create a paste by mixing neem powder with water. This paste can be used as a natural toothpaste or mouthwash to cleanse the oral cavity effectively. 2. Clove, a natural analgesic. Clove Syzygium aromaticum is a common household spice with remarkable medicinal properties. Its main active compound, eugenol, is well known for its analgesic and antimicrobial effects, making clove an excellent remedy for toothaches and oral infections. Benefits of clove. Pain relief. Eugenol in clove acts as a natural anesthetic, providing quick relief from toothaches. Antimicrobial action. Clove helps combat bacteria and fungi, preventing the spread of infections in the mouth. How to use clove. Clove oil. Dilute clove oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil and apply it directly to the affected tooth or gum area using a cotton swab. This method provides immediate pain relief and helps reduce bacterial presence. Whole cloves. Chewing whole cloves releases essential oils that help numb pain and kill bacteria. This method is especially useful in managing toothache when immediate access to dental care is unavailable. Clove tea. Brew clove tea by steeping whole cloves in hot water. This tea can be sipped to benefit from cloves' antimicrobial properties or used as a mouth rinse. 3. Tea tree oil, a potent antiseptic. Tea tree oil Melaleuca alternifolia is renowned for its powerful antiseptic properties. Its ability to kill bacteria and fungi makes it an effective natural remedy for maintaining oral hygiene and preventing tooth decay. Benefits of tea tree oil: antibacterial and antifungal. Tea tree oil's broad-spectrum antimicrobial action makes it effective against a variety of oral pathogens. Reduces inflammation. The regular use of tea tree oil can help reduce gum inflammation and prevent periodontal diseases. How to use tea tree oil. Mouthwash. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to a cup of water to create a natural mouthwash. Rinse your mouth with this solution to help reduce bacterial load and soothe gum inflammation. Enhanced toothpaste. Mixing a drop of tea tree oil with your regular toothpaste can enhance its antibacterial properties, providing an extra layer of protection against plaque and tooth decay. Gargle. For sore throats or inflamed gums, gargling with a diluted solution of tea tree oil and water can provide relief and reduce the risk of further infection. 4. Peppermint fresh breath and beyond. Peppermint mentha piperita is widely recognized for its refreshing flavor, but its benefits extend far beyond just freshening breath. Peppermint has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to oral health. Benefits of peppermint. Antimicrobial action. Peppermint helps in reducing harmful bacteria in the mouth, preventing infections and tooth decay. Soothes inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties make peppermint effective in reducing gum inflammation and pain. How to use peppermint. Peppermint oil. Dilute peppermint oil with the carrier oil and apply it to the gums to reduce pain and inflammation. This can be particularly soothing for sore gums. Peppermint tea. Regular consumption of peppermint tea can help reduce oral bacteria and soothe the mouth, making it a great addition to your daily oral care routine. Mouthwash. Create a peppermint mouthwash by adding a few drops of peppermint oil to water. Use this daily to maintain fresh breath and support overall oral hygiene. 5. Sage, the ancient healer. Sage Salvia officinalis has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, particularly in oral care. Its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent herb for maintaining gum health and preventing tooth decay. Benefits of sage. Antiseptic properties. Sage helps in reducing oral bacteria, preventing infections and promoting overall oral health. Anti-inflammatory effects. It soothes irritated gums and reduces inflammation, providing relief from discomfort. How to use sage. Sage tea. Brew sage tea and use it as a mouth rinse to reduce inflammation and fight bacteria. Regular use can help maintain healthy gums and teeth. Sage oil. Dilute sage essential oil and apply it to the gums to alleviate pain and reduce bacterial growth. This method can be especially beneficial for those with sensitive gums. Gargle. Gargling with sage tea can help soothe gum irritation and treat throat infections, making it a versatile addition to your oral care routine. 6. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric curcuma longa is a staple in traditional medicine known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is particularly effective in promoting oral health. Benefits of turmeric. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric helps reduce gum inflammation, providing relief from pain and swelling. Antimicrobial. Its antimicrobial properties help in reducing bacterial growth, preventing infections and promoting oral hygiene. How to use turmeric. Turmeric paste. Mix turmeric powder with water or coconut oil to create a paste. Apply this to your teeth and gums to reduce inflammation and combat bacteria. Turmeric tea. Drinking turmeric tea can support overall health, including oral health, by reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system. Mouthwash. Create a natural mouthwash by mixing turmeric powder with water. Use this daily to maintain healthy gums and teeth. Herbs offer a natural and effective way to support oral health and combat tooth decay. By incorporating herbs like neem, clove, tea tree oil, peppermint, sage, turmeric, echinacea, and thyme into your oral care routine, you can benefit from their antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and remineralizing properties. Remember, while herbs can enhance oral health, they should complement regular dental practices.